Good morning, everybody. Today was day 78 of P90X, round 2. It was chest, shoulders, and triceps and ab ripper X today. Today is the first day of week 12, which is really hard to believe that I'm already in the 12th week. Next week is the very last week of the 90-day journey. And it has just been such a fantastic journey, great adventure for me. I've been loving every minute of every day of it. You know, the first round of P90X, that was a great round to really jumpstart my fitness and my health and my athleticism. It really helped me to shred extra pounds that I was wanting to get rid of, helped me to get rid of extra fat, to start slimming down. And the second round has just been really great to help to tone my body, to gain more lean muscle that will tone away the extra flab and fluffiness, as I always like to refer to extra fat as fluffiness, to get more of a solid look, still slim, lean, not bulk in terms of muscle, but a lot of lean muscle. That has been my focus. And, for some people, that's not really their focus. Whether you're a guy or a girl, your focus could be to add more bulk. And that's what makes the P90X classic version so great, is that whatever your focus is, you can do that. If you want more bulk, then you add heavier weights with less reps. For me, I wanted lean muscle, so that meant that I had less weights with higher reps. And it has been fantastic. I've gotten such great results. I've gotten rid of a lot of the extra fluffiness and flab. Like in the arms, I had a lot of flab, especially down here in the tricep area and the shoulders, and the latissimus dorsi. And it has really slimmed that down, replaced it with lean muscle so that it's not so flabby anymore, especially in the arm. I used to the old wiggling the arm, and you saw that jiggle there right underneath the triceps, and that has been replaced with the lean muscle, and I'm toning a lot more. I've got a nice lean tone and definition in my body. Again, I'm not looking for bulk, so I'm not looking to have like this huge tricep nugget that's going to flex all the time. I want to still retain a little bit more of a lean feminine look, but have more of a tone to my body, as well as I want to have that muscle to help in my general fitness and athleticism. You may have heard me mention before that next month, November 18th, I'm going to be competing in a 5K obstacle course, the Spartan Sprint up in Fenway Park in Boston, Massachusetts. I did my first 5K run about 3 weeks ago, and it was, more intense for me. It wasn't that hard in terms of the obstacles, but it was a test. And so I know that this Spartan Sprint is a lot more intense. It's harder. The obstacles are a whole lot harder. If you fail an obstacle, you have to do 30 burpees. So, if you're failing a couple of obstacles throughout the course of a 5K distance, you're going to be pretty tired with all those burpees. And so, it's not just about my look. It's not just about how lean I'm looking or how muscular I'm looking or how sexy I'm looking. It's for my health. That's the biggest thing. And the second biggest thing is for my athleticism. I love now to be able to get out there and to do things, because I spent my whole life sitting on the couch, with a bag of potato chips or all kinds of junk food, living such an unhealthy, lazy life. And now it's almost like I'm making up for it. I'm loving the activity, the enjoyment of being able to get out there and do things. And so this helps me to keep up with that. This helps me to be able to say, I want to do a 5K obstacle course. Okay, let's go do it. Instead of, I would love to be able to do that, but I'm so overweight. If that's you, and you're looking at people that are saying, I'm loving this activity, I'm going out, I'm rock climbing, I'm hiking, I'm surfing, I'm doing this and that and everything else, and you're sitting on the couch and you're thinking to yourself, I would love to do that, but I am overweight and unhealthy. Well, get off the couch. That's what I had to do. I had to make that decision. Do I want to do what I want to do? Or am I just going to keep on making excuses and sitting on the couch saying, I would love to do that, but, and not doing anything about it? And, you look at yourself in the mirror, or you look at yourself on the scale, or the clothes that you're wearing, and the doctor is telling you you need to start losing weight. It's not because you're not looking like a supermodel in a magazine. It's because of your health. That is the biggest, biggest reason for you to start losing weight and to start living a healthy, fit lifestyle. Not so you can look sexy. It's not about the appearance. It's about the health. And so, I really, really, I can't emphasize this enough. If you are on the couch and you're not doing anything, do something. If you don't know what to do, send me an email. Please, by all means, get in touch with me. I want to help you to be able to get there, to start, to do something. I'll help you to find the right kind of fitness program that's for you. I'll help you get on the right track to nutrition and eating healthy and living a healthy lifestyle. And, whether you're going to go with a 30-day program to start out with, a 60-day program, a 90-day program, whatever, that is going to be the start of your new life to healthy and fit. And you will get to the point that I'm at, where I was 225 pounds overweight, very unhealthy, very, very lazy. And now I am lean, I'm fit, I'm more athletic. My active induced asthma is not causing such a problem for me, and I'm able to get out there and do the things that I want to do and have always wanted to do, but never did because of my weight. And now look at me. Complete 360, opposite end of the spectrum. And you can get there too. And I really, really want to help you get there. So please get in touch with me. I'll help you get there, and you'll be able to look back and say, wow, I did that. And you'll be so, so very proud of yourself. It'll be a fantastic journey, an adventure of a lifetime, I promise you. So you guys have a fantastic day. Make today an awesome day, as I always say. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks. God bless. Bye.